I'm so excited. I feel like a little kid in a candy store. That's how excited I am. Yeah, I need to breathe. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Keep It Up with P and P. That's me. If you're new here, click that subscribe button, and if you are returning, what it do? Boo. So y'all, I just want to take a moment of silence because your girl secured the motherfucking bag. Y'all see by that title, y'all see what's finna happen. Y'all know I secured the bag. Y'all, let me tell y'all, before we even unbox anything, let me tell y'all, I set my alarm for 7 o'clock. When did this bag release? It get released on a Thursday. I set my alarm for 7 o'clock, y'all. I woke up, I went back to sleep. But I set another alarm for 7:30. I woke up at 7:30, then I was up. Boom, cool. Y'all, when I say I was on my phone, like 7:58 refresh, 7:59 refresh, 8 o'clock refresh. When I say I refreshed at 8:01, baby, you would have thought I was Medea, baby, the way my hands was moving on my phone. I was not playing. I was not missing this bag because I needed this bag for a trip that I'm going on in like 3 weeks. Well, really 2, because by the time I'm filming this video. And so, y'all, I'm so happy because 2 of my ships were trying to get this bag and they did not get it. But your girl P secured the motherfucking bag, y'all. The motherfucking bag. Literally, y'all, my bag got delivered today. I was literally sitting over there at my desk while I do my makeup and everything else. And I literally seen UPS man. We know the UPS man. I had the same UPS man since I lived where I live. And so literally I seen him. I seen he had 2 other packages, but they were bigger, and then he had mine. Baby, I ran downstairs so fast. I opened that door. I said, baby, I was waiting for you at the door. I said I was waiting for what you have of mine. Cause let me tell y'all, your girl P secured the motherfucking bag. Cause y'all know these bags are so hard to get. They are so hard to get. But your girl P, I got it. Let's clap it up. But anywho, enough talking. Let's get right into what y'all can see. So as you can tell, the box is small. I did get the mini one. Depending on what other colors he released, I might get I want a medium one, but I did just get the small one, so I'm covering this up so that y'all don't see my addy. But yes, so I'm so excited. I feel like a little kid in a candy store. That's how excited I am. Yeah, I need to breathe. Y'all, because I am so excited. Like, so excited. But anyway, so when you open the bag, this is what's in the bag. Well, this was in the box. Of course, it's the small one. So it has the E on it, on the back, which is pretty cute. So yeah. And now let's open it. So here is the duster bag that also has an E on it. So cute and small. Now here's the bag. Y'all, I don't even think, hold on, y'all, let me take this off. Yo, the camera is not doing it justice. Like, look at it, y'all. It is so cute. It is so freaking Telfar bag. Like, I'm still like in belief. Like, when I seen it said thank you for your purchase, y'all, I damn near fell out. Not even playing. But y'all, look at it. It's so cute. Like, I got it's the small, the mini double. It's the double mint color bag. It's like a green. Of course, it has the straps, the double straps on it, and then it has the, I guess, of course, the piece that you can carry. And oh yeah. Okay, but of course it has the little stuff that be coming in the packages. But this is the inside of it. It has the little Telfar, the little E thing in here, the Telfar little logo, and it has a pocket. It has a little pocket. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a little pocket so that I guess you could store something small in there. Yeah, but look at it, y'all. Like, it's a beauty. Oh, and here's the tag, the Telfar tag. But it's a beauty. Like, I love everything about this bag. It's so fucking cute. Like, yeah, it's lit. It's lit when I wear this. It's lit when I wear this out of town. Yes, I'm definitely going to get a medium one, definitely. But that's all to it, y'all. Like, it's really pretty. And I don't think the camera does this bag enough justice. Like, also, if I did mention, it has like it doesn't have a zipper thing, but it has like the little magnetic thing, so like it just snaps or whatever. So yeah, but yes, so as y'all can see, your girl P is so excited about this bag, because like y'all know, like Telfar bags are really hard to get because people be on it. Like, y'all, people really be on it. But I did learn a few tricks. Although I didn't have an account with Telfar when I purchased my bag, I did watch like other videos. Specifically, I forgot her name, but I watched her video where she said that she was able to get, you know, most of all the Telfar bags that she wanted, like creating an account so that, like, you know, all your information, like your address, your payment information, like will be already in there. So like when the release and when he actually releases the bags or whatever, you could just instantly, everything is like quicker, so that you don't have to do like what I did. But what I did, it still worked for me. I was like on it, like, y'all, I was so on it. But that's all I have for y'all today, is just showing y'all my Telfar bag, unboxing it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and your girl P is out.